Good evening, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today I'll discuss the topic potential at a point due to a point charge from Chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance. Okay. The aim of this topic is to find out the expression of potential, and also we'll observe on what factor potential depend. Okay. So let's start the topic. To derive this one, I'm going to draw a diagram. Okay. See the diagram. So here we bring a test charge from infinity and we kept at point A, and this is the test charge Q0, and here at O a positive source charge is Q placed. Our aim is that we have to find out the potential at point P at a distance R from O, and this Q0 is at point A. The distance from O up to A is X. Okay. We know the value of source charge is much greater than test charge. Okay. So this source charge push this test charge towards right direction. Okay. To move the test charge towards source charge, we have to give some force from outside, and that force is called the external force. Okay. The source charge apply force, that is F vector. To move this test charge, we have to apply external force, F external vector. Okay. So to derive this one, we have to remember one chain. See the chain. First we have to find out the value of external force. Why? To find out the work done. Why? To find out the potential, because potential equal to how much? Work done by test charge. Once you remember this chain, we can easily remember this derivation. Okay. So see how we proceed. So from definition of potential, our aim is that we have to find out the potential at point P. So from definition of potential, V equal to W infinity P divided by Q0. Okay. And we consider this in the equation 1. Now just glance this diagram. Here see external force is opposite to the force due to source charge. Okay. So external force is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught, and how much distance? X. Okay. So here minus sign is due to opposite to the force due to source charge. Okay. So we cannot find out the direct work done from infinity to P. For that one, we have to find out first small work done. To find out the total work done, we go for integration. Say we displace this test charge from point A through a small distance Tx. Okay. For that one, work done will be dW equal to F external dot dx, and what is the value of F external? That is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q q naught by x square dx. Okay, so we consider this on the equation 2. Okay, now to find out the total work done, we have to integrate equation 2 from infinity to p. Okay, so let's see the integration. W infinity to p integration infinity to r. So the values is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by x square dx. So what about the constant? Keep outside. जो भी constant है उसको बाहर निकाल दो. 1 minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught integration infinity to r 1 by x square dx. Okay, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught integration infinity to r 1 by x square is written as x to the power minus 2. Now use the concept of integration, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught x to the power क्या होगा minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 upper limit lower limit. Okay, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा माइनस 2 plus 1 क्या होगा minus 1 minus plus. So it will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught. ये क्या हो जाएगा x to the minus 1, that is x to the minus 1 को कैसे लिखते हैं 1 by x. ओके, ठीक है. So now after this step 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r. So what is the value of 1 by infinity? 1 by infinity का वैल्यू क्या होता है 0, तो इसको लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, और w infinity p equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप w infinity p by q naught equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. इसको हम लोग इक्वेशन कंसीडर करते 3. नाउ व्हाट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1? इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में क्या था v इक्वल टू w infinity p by q naught. ओके, दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 1. तो देखो इक्वेशन नंबर 3 को देखो और इक्वेशन 1 को देखो. सो इफ यू कंपेयर इक्वेशन 1 एंड 3 तो क्या मिलेगा हम लोग को? व्हाट विल गेट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 एंड 3? वी गेट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 एंड 3 वी गेट w infinity p by q naught का जगह में क्या होगा v. Therefore क्या होगा v इक्वल टू क्या हो रहा है 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So this is the expression of potential due to a point charge. Now very carefully observe this expression v equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So potential on what factor depends? That is value of source charge and distance. Okay.